Wow. That was a close one. Wow. Okay, I'm revisiting a Walkera ladybird tail on here, and we have a new feathering shaft in here. Okay, not bad. The wind has died totally down though. Okay, we're going to 70% head speed. Okay. Yeah, I can still blow it. It went okay mellow. But I've got no wind at the moment. Yeah, it wants to pull wide there. Could get it to smush out wide a little bit at 70% head speed and moderate circuits, but very little wind. Okay, tail was pretty good at 40 and 70%. Not in heavy wind and not on really fast hurricanes, but it felt predictable on the slow ones. Tail first, that is. Everything else was holding pretty nice, tic-tocs and pyrrho-tic-tocs and stuff. Well, I guess you could just about call them that. Wonky pirouetting rainbows. 90 head speed. Yeah, not great. Just wants to pull wide. Let's try left rudder. A bit more wind this time as well. Oh, okay, it blew then. So yeah, above 60-70% head speed, the tail doesn't hold that well. And even then, in hurricanes that is, with the Walkera tail blade, whoa. Feels better in everything other than hurricanes. But yeah, just a little bit of wind. Really doesn't make them very predictable at all. Not sure it's going to make too much of a difference, but does it get worse with 100 head speed? Because that was 90. Yeah. It doesn't feel like it gets worse, but it's the same. But still not great. Hurricanes fast, and especially in the wind, are the nemesis for this heli. It's something it just does not do very well at all. With the stock tail blade and the Walkera one, you can kind of correct it. It feels semi-predictable, but it's still going to blow quite easily. I'm just going to turn the rates down to 100 from 125 and see if that makes any difference with the tail first stuff, just to rule that out, I guess. I'm not really expecting it to be any better, but we'll see. I don't think I was using the full rates. Okay, gyro off, rates 100. Nope. No, rates aren't an issue. Tail first hurricanes. Wow. So the tail's never going to be as good as the other XK helis, in my experience. I've still got a couple of other options for tail blades to find. Nothing really good for hurricanes though. Okay, fully charged battery. Tail first hurricane 65mm Parrot prop. It's a little bit searchy. A little bit searchy. Smushing wide again on the right hand. Tail first. Wow, that was a close one. Tough to do hurricanes in the wind. It likes to search a little bit. Not as good as I'd hoped. So tail's actually better at a lower head speed if you're doing hurricanes. Past about 60 flat curve. Let's see, did we survive? We did. Yeah, it holds pretty well in everything other than tail first hurricanes in the wind. Certainly fast ones, it's searching a little bit there. The stock is possibly a little bit better. It's still going to blow really easily as a stock tail hurricanes. The tail on tail first hurricanes is not going to be perfect in this one. Everything else like TikTok seems absolutely fine, which surprises me. I thought hurricanes would be better than the aileron TikToks because they were the worst with the stock one. So the stock one's definitely not enough. And this one possibly leaning on a little bit too much, but definitely better than the Walkera that's 55. So somewhere between 55 and 65 is probably the Goldilocks length, and no doubt a better profile, and one that comes with a 1.2mm hole just to guarantee that the hole is perfectly drilled and it's not slightly off balance there and that affecting it. This is at 60% head speed. No problems on hard stops there. Let's try higher head. Oh, let's try it sideways on in the wind. Yeah, it's having a little sort of shimmy left and right, but it's not smushing round like the Walkera one did. Let's try it. Full head speed. 100. And we'll have some high rates as well. Yeah, it's not quite perfect, but it's solid. Solid. So for me, yeah, the Parrot prop is a winner. It still chirps. Yeah, and you can blow it. If you tail first and you just full collective, it will blow. And that's into the wind as well, so I guess worst case scenario. Still searches a little bit on tail first faster hurricanes. And I feel it will blow, and it will blow on the faster ones in the wind, certainly to the end of a pack, which is what we're at now. Yeah, tail motor's red hot, so definitely not a chain flying one. And the motor's pretty hot, probably let that cool as well, to be honest. So much better tail performance. Still not as perfect as the K110 or the K120. I've found those really just super tails, but it is good enough to enjoy and feel like it's going to hold in most things.